Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert a table into Microsoft Word. Right? So, before we get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, let's jump right straight into this. So now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Word document open up. Right? So I have this title here. This is a table. So I want to insert a table down here. So to insert a table, you just have to know how many row it got, and then the row, and then the column. Right? A table consists of rows and column. So just come here, click down wherever you want to insert your table. Click on insert. Make sure you are in on this insert tab right here. Right, and then you got this table. Now click on that, and then this is how you can select. Right, just on your, if you are coming from your left to your right, that's your row, and then from up to down, that's your columns. Right, as you can see, it's drawing there. So let's say we want a table with 6 rows with 6 columns and then 4 rows. Look at that. So you insert a table right there. So now let's just say we want to, that's how you insert your table. So let's add some text in here to make it more better. Let's just say let's say quantity, just going to quantity, let's say unit, just adding random stuff, price, just random stuff, home, let's say money, and let's say travel, just random. So let's say these are your title, right? So and then so now let's add some format to this table. Let's add some format to this table. Let's say we want to bold this title. So you can just come in, you can select that, make sure you are on the edge, you select that, right? Click, come here on the edge until you got that, and then select that. See, come here on the edge and then just select that. You want to bold them, go back to your home tab, and then once you click on that, you bold them. You see now your title are bolded. Let's say you also want to maybe highlight this, make sure you give them a different paint. So all you have, make sure you are on that. Now come in here, you can come there, your shading, or you can come into your design. Again, you have this shading here. It's the same thing. Make sure you can come to your home tab, shading, or you can come to your design. Just make sure you select whatever you want to shade, and then let's say we want to give them a different color, let's say of this brown. Now you see, you got that. Now your tab is highlighted in brown. Right, again, you can change the size, make sure you highlight, then come to your home, and then just let's say you want to change the size to 60. Now you got that. Again, you can select one by one, but to go fast you can highlight all of them. Again, like I said, you can change, highlight one by one like this, and then make them, let's say you want to change the font size back to 12. See, you got that. You can highlight that. Right, so that's how you can format your table. You can also change the let's say the size of this line. So you can also change the border of this table. So you want to draw them yourself, so border pen, you can use the pen, right? The border type, the line style, and then you have the size, the line weight, right? So let's say we have this, or you want to use this, you can use that type. You can use, let's say we want to use this two double right here. Now you see you got that pen right there, right? So you can click on that, sorry, for a style, pen color, and then just make sure you are on here, click on that. Okay, now let's click on that, the border that you want to change, and then just select, right? You can click on that, just paint there, and then you can do, let's say you want this to have a double line, right? You can click on that, right? And then if you want to change it, you can also come down here and then change, let's say to this, and then they want the color, the size, and then make sure you select that border pane, and then you can add that. Just click, left click, and then that bottom line is right there. You have formatted your table right there. So yeah, that's how you add a table. I show you how you can edit. I show you how you can style it as well. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below. Now if this was your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.